Hi guys, today I'm going to be building a special project, building a cradle for my granddaughter's baby dolls. So this will be fun. So I have this leftover lumber that I used to build a boat a couple years ago. So it's actually marine plywood, but it's pretty good quality, and I want to use this to make the cradle out of. This is 3/8 inch thick. So first thing I'm going to do is draw out the sides of the cradle. And then we're going to do a little curve on the top edge just to make it a little nicer looking, hopefully. That's going to go about 6 inches. I don't know if I should freehand this, probably not a good idea. Okay, Campbell's soup can. I'm going to use that for my curve, I think. We'll see how that turns out. Okay, I think that worked okay. Okay, so we got the first side done, and now I just need to copy that and make the second side. Okay, now I'm cutting the headboard, putting the curve on the headboard. So now I'm drawing out the angles for the sides of the bed. So the sides will be sloped from the top down toward the bottom, be sloped inward. So I'm trying to measure out and figure out what those angles are. And then we'll cut those sides off. So also need to shape the actual rocker on the bottom, which will be part of the headboard and the footboard. So I'm trying to draw those out as well. Yeah, I think I need a bigger can for those. Okay, the peanut can's not big enough to make the rocker, so I'm going to try this pizza pan. I think this will be big enough. Okay, looks like it rocks. That's a good thing. Okay, I need to rip a couple of cleats so I can have a place to screw into for the bottom and for the headboard and the footboard. So that's what I'm going to do here. Okay, now that we have the cradle pieces all sanded down and nice and smooth, I'm going to do some pre-assembly. I'm going to have to ship this to my granddaughter, so I have to take it apart and ship it, and then they'll be able to assemble it once it gets there. So that just makes it a little more difficult, but I'm going to do some pre-assembly now. Okay, I'm going to start with the headboard here, and these edge pieces. Since the plywood's so thin, I have to add these on so that I have something solid to screw to. Okay, I think what I'll do is glue these on, and then I can actually drill the screw holes and the pilot holes and assemble it. I think that'll do it. I'll let this dry up for overnight or so before I start assembling. Okay, so I've got all the pieces disassembled, cleaned off, and we're going to start painting today. I have some leftover interior house paint that I think will work fine. So here it is, all painted and assembled, and with babies. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.